Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. On this video we're going to be talking about the header and footer of your website. So let's start off with the header that's up here. The header is usually used for the menu or for a login button if you have that option for your website. To edit it, you can right click on it. You can add a parallax effect. For example, you can just enable it and set it up over here. I'm not going to do so, so I'm just going to click on confirm. You can edit its appearance. I already have a style, so I'm just going to edit it. You can select what style you want. You can add images. You can add background colors. And you can also enable shadows. Once you guys do that, you can go ahead and return, select your style. Come back over here. And you can also change the appearance on the hover. So for example, if you want the header to do some sort of action once someone hovers it, you can do that over here. Once you click confirm, your header is basically set up if you added an image, if you did everything else. Next up, we're going to talk about your footer. That's all the way down. And here is where usually websites set up their contact form or the email marketing form, or also just a little tab that goes back to the menu. To edit it, you can put over here. Same thing as the header. You can edit the appearance. For example, add a style. We're just going to add a style real quick. Tutorial, we can edit it just like the header. Put images, color for the background, and shadows. You can go back, edit the group hover. If you want a center element or tag attribute, you can also do that. Just to give you guys an example, I'm just going to go to another website so you guys can see what the footer looks like or would look like if you guys set it up. I'm also going to show the header right over here. You can add your logo. You can add some exclusive product to your menu up here. And once you do that, you are done setting up your header and footer. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.